Everybody, it's Rob Thorworth with the Vesta Group of Long & Foster. Today I want to take you on a virtual tour of an amazing property that I have just outside of town in Carroll County. Come with me. The first thing that happens to you when you walk in this house is you just can't help but look up. These are chestnut and oak beams reclaimed from a deconstructed barn in Pennsylvania and then reassembled by an Amish crew on the current site. Standing in front of the doors that lead out to the deck, you're looking at over 1,600 square feet of space. Currently, the owners have it as a living room and a dining room, and even an office space against the stairs to the lower level. In order to create an entrance, the owners installed this walk-in closet. It's freestanding and sections off the front entrance to create a foyer. Notice the beautiful hardwood floors and carpets section off the living areas. The main level also features these double-pane picture windows by Anderson, and these custom window treatments will also convey with the house. There are 2 zones of baseboard heat, oil-fired, and provided from a 200-gallon tank on the north side of the house. In addition, this radiant propane stove by Vermont Casting supplies additional heat to the living area, and in colder weather brings the comfort and the feel of a mountain vacation home right into your living room. As you enter the house to the left, there's also a small closet in addition to the walk-in, as well as a half-bath powder room. Looking back from the powder room, you can see the entryway to the walk-in closet, as well as the dining area. With a space this size, there's plenty of room for a really large dining room table. And the chandelier over the dining room table also matches the wall sconces in the breakfast eat-in area of the kitchen. Entering the kitchen, you'll notice the tile floors, as well as a granite countertop bar with room for a couple of bar stools. This bright and airy kitchen, with the high beamed ceilings, shiplap walls, granite and butcher block counters, also features custom cabinetry and stainless appliances. The stainless appliances include a GE refrigerator and microwave, as well as a Bosch dishwasher. But the main feature that beckons culinary artistry is a 6-burner commercial propane range with double oven made by 5 Star. The custom craft-made cabinetry is made for storage with deep pan drawers and lazy Susans. And finally, a blue tile mosaic gives a nice pop of color as a backsplash under the hood of the commercial range. The laundry area is off the back of the kitchen, featuring a full-size stacked Kenmore washer and dryer, ample storage space, and a laundry tub. There is also a large walk-in pantry with plenty of built-in storage. When everyone at the party gathers in the kitchen, there'll be plenty of room in this large, functional space. Let's look at the master bedroom loft. The loft, of course, has beautiful views of the open downstairs, but also of the magnificent ceiling And with insulation ratings at R32 and central air conditioning, a ceiling fan only needs to stir the air. On the left side of the loft, in front of the master bathroom, is a little seating or dressing area. There is also a small door with access to the new Rheem air conditioning system installed in 2019. On the other side of the loft is a large walk-in closet with 2 doors. There's room on the floor, as well as 2 staggered hanging rods that go all the way across. The master bathroom has a barn-style door, tile flooring, and a tile surround in the tub. There's traditional vanity and medicine cabinets. And the roof was designed as open, so as not to attract any moisture problems. Stepping outside through these doors by Anderson, we find a 34 by 16 Trex deck facing the northwest side of the house. And at the end of the driveway, there's plenty of room for guest parking, as well as your own 2.5 car garage with a 28 by 12 foot carport. Looking west from the deck, we see part of the 14.5 acres zoned agricultural, farmland, and residential. Let's go downstairs where we have 2 bedrooms and a Jack and Jill bath. At the bottom of the stairs, we have additional living space with custom built-ins that will convey with the house. And on this stone wall behind the picture is a flue opening for a possible additional heat source. This lower-level space could be used for recreation or exercise, with enough room for a pool table or gym equipment. The windows are made by Pella, as well as the doors that open to the outdoor stone patio. The stone patio and pond and waterfall feature were installed in 2012. There is a place to sit and meditate or just relax. Back inside the lower level, we see the mudroom to the right, closet space with barn doors, and also the entrance to the 2 bedrooms. This bedroom has wall-to-wall carpeting, closet space, a ceiling fan, and again, the beautiful beam structures overhead. On the back side of this bedroom is access to the systems room. The systems room contains a new Burnham boiler installed in 2015, as well as a water filtration system, hot water heater, and electric panel. This small dedicated panel is wired to a Honda generator housed in a shed on the exterior of the house. This generator supplies electricity to crucial systems such as heat, refrigeration, and a water pump. A Jack and Jill bath connects us to the 2nd bedroom. The bath has a tile floor, vanity, medicine cabinet, as well as a stand-up shower. The 2nd bedroom has plenty of light and is spacious as well, with 2 windows, carpeting, and a ceiling fan. As you can see, there's plenty of room for an armoire and a dresser. At the back corner of the house is the mudroom entryway. The mudroom has baseboard heat, tile flooring, room for storage, and a sink. Through the window of the back door, we can see the shed that houses the Honda generator. Plenty of room in this lower level with 1,450 square feet. The roof is painted enamel, and the exterior paint, gutter, downspouts, and ice guards were installed in 2014. The quarter-mile driveway is paved with eco-friendly recycled asphalt and runs the east side of the property. And looking south, an underground spring constantly supplies water to the creek that meanders along the split rail fence line, which marks the southern boundary of the 14.5 acres of 113 Weaver Lane.